everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I am showing you particularly grey color kurtis. There are various shades of grey and different colors which goes really well with them. If grey is what you are planning to wear, then this video is for you. Continue watching to know contrast color dupattas with grey color suit.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.